Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm walking you through how to use the Canva app on your iPad, specifically for creating print-on-demand t-shirt designs. Whether you're just getting started with print-on-demand or you've never opened Canva before, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft a professional-looking t-shirt design, perfect for your next project or online store. Let's dive right in. So first things first, grab your iPad and open up the Canva app. If it's your first time, don't worry, the interface is super user-friendly. You'll see lots of design options on the home screen, but for now, just tap that big Create button. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen and acts as your starting gateway every time you want to begin a new project. Now in the search bar that appears, type in t-shirt. Canva has hundreds of pre-sized templates made for different goals, so searching for t-shirt ensures your design is the correct size and resolution for printing. This saves a ton of guesswork, and you won't have to worry about your graphic looking stretched or pixelated later on. Once you enter your search, click on the t-shirt option. You'll see a whole gallery of templates pop up, each with its own style and vibe. Scroll through this library and select a template that fits your vision. Don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always swap things around or start fresh if you change your mind. Alright, with your template open, it's time to let your creativity shine. Tap Elements along the side. This is where Canva really gives you freedom to make your design unique. You'll notice Magic Recommendations, which basically means Canva suggests graphics, icons, or images that pair well with the template you selected. If you see something cool, just tap it and it'll drop right into your workspace. Experimenting with different elements can really transform a basic design into something you're proud to put on a t-shirt. As you work, pay attention to the details. Now's the time to edit your template. Maybe you want to switch up the color scheme or adjust the fonts to fit your brand. Simply tap on the item you want to change. For colors, a palette will appear, giving you tons of options. For fonts, you can either pick from Canva's list or search for something specific. Don't rush, take your time here. Little changes like a pop of color or a bold font can make your design stand out from the crowd. When you're happy with everything, it's time to get your design ready for printing. Hit the Share button, it's usually in the upper right corner, and select Download. Here's a crucial step. Choose PDF Print as your file type and make sure it says Color CMYK. This part is really important because CMYK color mode is what printers use, and it'll help your finished t-shirt look as vibrant and sharp as it did on your iPad screen. If you ever see files that look faded after printing, it's usually because the wrong color setting was used, so double-check this before downloading. And that's it, you've just made a custom t-shirt design on Canva for print on demand, all from your iPad. See, super easy and really fun. If you stuck with me through each step, you've got everything you need to start building your own designs or even launch a shop. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions or want me to cover more Canva tips? Drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.